Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming an eye tutorial on the makeup that I'm wearing today, and it's just going to be the eye portion of the video. I'm not going to show my face makeup because I use the same products and the same stuff on my face that I've been doing in the last few videos, so just to make it shorter I just thought I would do just the straight eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look today, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. I feel like my camera's probably going to die throughout this tutorial and I'm going to be super pissed. Okay. I'm just going to rub that in with a dampened beauty blender. I apologize, mine is really dirty. Now I'm going to set that with some translucent setting powder, my RCMA setting powder. There's a glare from the camera. And I'm just going to be taking my Morphe G40 brush. Looks like that. Okay. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. To start, I'm going to be taking the shades Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange on a Morphe E27 brush. Just looks like that. I'm going to be putting that in my crease. And I'm going to be bringing the shade up pretty high because I am doing a half cut crease, and since I have hooded eyelids, I want the color to still show pretty bright after I cut my lid, and since I have hooded eyes, my cut crease is going to end up coming like up here, and so if I only put it in the crease, it's not going to show. So if you feel like the transition, if you feel like the transition color is really high up on my eye, it's because of that. I'm just buffing that into my crease, and I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. I'm going to be taking an M433 brush. It just looks like this. I need to clean my makeup brushes. And I'm going into the shade Red Ochre. And I'm just going to be applying that in the crease a little bit above my actual crease, but not as high as the transition color. So I really want this color to show after I cut that crease, so I want to be able to still see it, which is why I'm bringing it a little bit higher than my actual crease. And then I'm just going to go back in with that first brush that I used with nothing on it, just to buff out that line. Sorry, I keep going out of frame. Okay, and now I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. So I've done that to the second eye, so it looks like this. I'm going to take the color Cypress Umber, and I'm using a Morphe M411 brush. It just looks like this. I'm going to be dipping into that shade, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner of my eye. but I really, really want that color to stay out. Look at all that fallout. This is why I like to do my eyes first. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this brush and just blending that out. Like I said, there's no additional product on it. Just using it to buff out that line. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back and just build that color up again. Don't worry about the fallout, you can clean it up after, which is what I'm gonna do. But yeah, and I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again, and I'm going to apply that on the back of my hand. Just a dot, like so. And then I'm going to be taking Morphe E19 brush, and it's this little flathead brush, and I'm going to be using that to cut out my half-cut crease. So like I said, since I have hooded eyelids, your first instinct is to cut it to here, but when you open your eye, this is gonna stamp up higher because of your hooded eyelids. For me at least, that's what happens. So I'm going to be cutting my crease pretty high up, that way when I open my eye, it doesn't transfer to the top of my eyelid. It'll make more sense once I do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And if you've never done a cut crease before, here's my biggest tip. Don't look up when doing this, because then you're just gonna get it everywhere. And since I'm only doing a half cut crease, I'm going to stop about right here, and I'm just going to blend this line, just like so. So I'm gonna do that to the other eye. Okay, now that both of my eyes are cut, now that I've cut both of the creases, I'm going to set that with some translucent setting powder. It's up to you if you want to use translucent setting powder or just an eyeshadow. I use a setting powder first, and then I just go over it with an eyeshadow. But it's completely up to you. I'm just gonna set that with my Morphe B10 brush. Just looks like that. And I got some translucent setting powder on it already, so I'm just going to pat that over that concealer. Just like so. Now I'm going to take the shade Tempera right here on a flat brush. This is the ColourPop, I think it's just a ColourPop flat shader brush, but I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be placing it right on top of that concealer. Just like so, and I'm gonna do that to the other eye. Okay, now usually what I like to do is just to make sure my eyeshadow is vibrant and vivid, but I'm gonna wait to do that after I apply the glitter, just because if I do that now, I'm gonna ruin this line, and I really like to see a defined line on my half-cut creases. So I'm gonna apply the glitter first. I'm going to be using the NYX Face and Body Glitter first. It looks like this. Don't know what color it's in. It just says glitter 06, but I think it's just the silver one. And I'm going to be using, where did it go? Oh, this is really old, but I'm going to be using the liquid sugar from Eye Candy, I believe, to apply that to my eye. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M443 brush, which looks like this. It's this little tiny tip. And I'm just going to dip that into the liquid sugar, and then dip that into the glitter, and apply it where I want it. I'm just going to be applying that right where that concealer and that brown meet. I did this look yesterday, so I'm probably going to be adding a little more glitter than I had on yesterday. And I like the shape of where it's a little wider up top and then goes a little smaller as it gets to my lash line. So I'm gonna apply that glitter the same way on the other eye. Now you can completely stop here, or you can take it a step further, which is what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna take these silver sequency glitters, and I'm going to stick a few on my eyelid. So I'm just gonna use that same liquid sugar, dip my brush in there, and pick up a silver sequence glitter and apply it to my eyelid. So I'm just gonna apply a few more to that eye, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished applying those sequences to my eyes, and now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner and do a winged eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild waterproof H2O liquid liner and do a wing really quickly. So I got one wing, and I'm gonna do the wing to the other eye. Okay, so I got my wing eyeliner done. I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup and apply some lashes, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. So I ended up doing my face makeup off camera because I'm using the same products that I've been using in the past few videos that I've posted for my face makeup. So you've already seen me do it a couple times, so I figured I would just do the eye makeup tutorial. So I did my face makeup, I put on some Ardell wispy lashes, and then I just put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line and put on mascara and eyeliner. That's pretty much all I did after for my eyes. And then I just put on some lipstick, and this is the shade Tool from ColourPop. And I thought it really went well with the eyes. But anyways, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel if you have not already. And please let me know if you would like more talked through videos, more voiceover videos, or like this one how it was pretty short and simple and just on the eye look. Let me know which ones you want more of down below, and I'll be happy to film those for you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!